Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin pecan praline pie. It's just like pumpkin pie and pecan pie combined. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, or this week, new pie recipes every day. So let's get started. First, you'll need a pie crust. I'll put a link to the recipe I'm using in the description box. And one of the biggest issues with making pie is an underbaked or soggy pie crust. So be sure to check out my pie crust troubleshooting video where I show how to prevent and fix an underbaked or soggy pie crust. Once your pie crust is ready, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then into a medium or large bowl, add in the eggs and brown sugar, or you can use white sugar, and whisk them until they're well combined. Then add in the cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and salt, and whisk them in until they're combined. Then add in the pumpkin puree. You must use pure pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie mix. And half, or you can use whole milk, heavy cream, or evaporated milk. And whisk them until they're combined. Pour the filling into the pie crust and bake it in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes until it's set around the edges but still slightly jiggly in the middle. While it's baking, you can make the pecan praline topping. In a small bowl, add in the chopped pecans, brown sugar, salt, and melted butter, and mix them until they're combined. When the pie is ready, remove it from the oven and sprinkle the praline all over the top. And return it to the oven and bake it for another 5 to 8 minutes until the topping is toasted and the sugar is slightly melted. Remove it from the oven and let it cool. And you can serve it still slightly warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make a pumpkin pecan praline pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.